In the PM series of courses, we're going over the plasma moon theory. This is a fascinating framework that states that the moon shows us the actual map of Earth. We know that because we can look at the moon ourselves, compare it to the land that we know, and then extrapolate that out to have land that we don't know and what may actually be the only accurate map of the world. Now, this is a required course if you want to become a certified master of flat earth theory. You don't have to believe in the plasma moon theory, but you have to understand it so that you can argue against it, for example, if you don't believe in it. But it's becoming very popular now in the flat earth communities that we should study it a lot. And I find it fascinating for what it adds to the sciences. For example, the geographic North Pole is different than the magnetic North Pole. The geographic North Pole is that hole in the center, but we're no longer on the Gleason map. We're now on a larger map, and that hole is actually outside of the land that we know. And the magnetic north, now we account for that pole shift. So I believe it's 26,000 years. There's a magnetic pole shift that our, like Polaris, for example, as well, will be moving over those period of time. And this plasma moon model by Vibes of Cosmos accounts for that. It's fascinating. So we also have the black sun, a third celestial object now that is shining through the whole of the geographic North Pole. The crescent hole allows us to now have new explanations for moon phases. And it's a fascinating framework that we're going to explore the foundations of in PM101. Now, I don't recommend you start this course. Please do FE 101 and FE 102 first because they're free. It'll give you kind of the foundational knowledge into flat Earth. And then also you get to test out our platform, see how it's going to be to make sure you do want to purchase this course. I thank you if you do decide to purchase this course and support us. The revenue that we generate through this is how we're able to afford this amazing platform to begin with. So I'm Stephen Alonzo. I'll be your instructor for the PM series of courses. After this, you'll have PM 201. Take care and have good studies.